Let's talk about how to pitch yourself to brands even if you don't have a massive following yet. Trust me, with the right approach, you can make big things happen. Let's dive in. Step 1. Don't just throw your darts at any brand. You need to find brands that make sense with your brand and your audience. So let's say you love working out. Check out Gymshark or Yurio. If you're obsessed with beauty, brands like e.l.f. or ColourPop love working with new creators. If you're into fashion, look at Micah's or Princess Polly. And those are just to name a few. Now here's a little hack. Go through your products at home and see if any of those brands are active on social media. Look at their Instagram or their TikTok. Are they reposting any creators? If so, then they're likely open to collaborations. Another tip is to explore TikTok Shop or affiliate programs from the brands you love. Step 2, the perfect pitch. Think about your pitch as sliding into your DM's crush. You gotta make it good and not sound corny. Start by introducing yourself, who you are, what do you do, and why you're obsessed with their brand. Then you need to tell them how you can help them. So here's a little example. You can start off by saying, hi, put the brand's name. My name is your name, an influencer, and you add your niche. So like beauty, lifestyle, fashion, whatever it is, with an engaged audience of, and you put the X amount of followers that you have. I've been using, and put a specific product that you've been using of theirs and say, I love it. I love to create content that shows my audience how amazing it is. You have to make sure to make it personal and specific. Like if you're pitching to a skincare brand, say that you can create a fun morning skincare routine for them. Just be really creative. Oh, and don't forget to check their preferred ways that they want to receive pitches. Some brands have forms on their actual website that you can submit your pitch there, or others just like DMs or emails, but make sure you check that. All right, now step 3, highlight your value. Tell them why they need you. Even if your audience isn't huge, the trust that you have built is priceless. Mention your engagement rate, your creativity, anything that'll help you stand out from the rest. You can say something like, my TikTok gets 10,000 views in the first 24 hours because I am such a great storyteller. Something like that. But make sure it's true because they'll probably check. If you've ever had a post go viral or received amazing comments from your audience about how much they love your recommendations, bring that up too. Those real life examples are gold. Step 4, show your work. Now it's time to really flex. Oh! Share your best work with them. Send a media kit, keep it simple but eye-catching. So if you're not sure where to start with your media kit, here's a tip. The media kit should include your bio, your stats, audience demographics, examples of your best content, and any past collaborations if you've had any. Now, if you don't have a media kit, it's okay, and you want to start one, all you have to do is just go into Canva, type in media kit, and then it'll bring up a bunch of templates for you to go over and just plug in your information. So, thank me later. Now, if you don't want to go through all that just yet, it might be a little overwhelming, all you have to do is just send them the links to your socials, and that'll be fine too. Now you have sent off your pitch email, so let's go to step 5, follow up. Don't be shy. Brands are extremely busy, so don't feel bad about following up. Wait a week or 2 and then just send a friendly check-in email. It shows that you're very serious and professional. Think of it like this. If your best friend was not answering you, you would definitely follow up with a phone call or a text like, hey girl, what you doing?
You're not.
Hello! But definitely keep yours polite and professional. Here's a bonus tip. If the emails aren't getting through, head to their DMs. Keep it chill, but again, professional. Something like, hey, huge fan of your brand. I would love to collaborate. Could you point me in the right direction of partnerships? And hit send. Sometimes sliding into the DMs gets to them faster than a bunch of emails. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give you a few bonus tips to really help you stand out. First, engage with the brand. Follow, like, comment, share some of their posts before you go ahead and pitch yourself to them. It shows them that you really care about their content. Now, if you're starting out, you can start small. Offer to create a piece of content for free so they can see your skills. Once they see what you can do, then they may come back and offer you a paid partnership. Next, leverage affiliates. If a brand has an affiliate program, join it. That is a great way to show the brand that you can drive sales to them. And my last tip, stay organized. I need to do better about doing that. Track your pitches on a spreadsheet, write it down, do something, but just track them and stay on top of it. And that's it. whatever brand you're really dreaming of working with, I promise you these tips will definitely help. Just be yourself, stay confident, and keep pitching. And when you land a deal, let me know in the comments or tag me on Instagram. I definitely want to celebrate with you guys. We got this. And until next time, bye my loves.